Hey everyone, it's Matt from Matt Drones On. Wanted to hop on here really quick and do a tutorial on how to change your speed. So you're going to click on the three white dots at the top right of the screen. So bring up your menu, and then you're going to select Control at the top of the screen right next to Safety. You're going to scroll down, select Gain and Expo Tuning, then you'll see your three selections there. Cine Mode or Cine, Normal, and Sport. For me, I do Cinema or Cine, however you pronounce it, 6 miles per hour, 4 miles per hour. Between 4 to 6 works really well for me. This will allow you to open the stick up all the way and still get really good control for orbiting, for slow reveals, things like that. I also adjust my tilt smoothness to 5. Basically, it's self-explanatory on here. So you can fine-tune the settings for you, but I find between 4 to 6 miles an hour works perfect for me, especially when I'm trying to capture maybe slow motion content, slower content for a video where we're doing a screensaver, slow motion footage, things like that. So check it out, see what works for you. Let me know in the comments what you all set yours at. And also, how many Mode 3 fans we got out there? I fly stick mode, Mode 3. What do you guys fly? Let me know. Where are my Mode 3 people at? Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.